Ike out here.
This is worse than Ike. We ain't got nothing down there. No water on it. Yeah, I can drive down.
You alright, buddy?
She's trying to get out of there.
Now she's stranded somewhere else?
Yep.
As long as she's safe, she's alright.
They don't have water in there yet.
That guy right there needs a hand. Yeah.
Look at that homemade snorkel. I think you almost made it.
Yeah. You gonna take
Perfectly good fork truck.